Hi, bestie. Welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Frizzle, also known as Karen. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. So glad that you're here. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Today, I'll be doing a cash stuffing for Christmas in July. So if you're interested in cash stuffing, saving money, learn about it, this video just might be for you. But before I get started, I do have some new freebies that's in my Ko-Fi shop that I want to show you. If you need any saving challenges to help you meet your goal, check out my Ko-Fi shop. Alright, so this is our August bundle here. And I started off with this one where I have August wacky holidays, and August 1st is National Planner Day. So I ended up creating this new planner supply. And then also for August bundle here, I have Back to the Budget, a Moon Challenge, and a Bingo Savers Challenge. And this is all free on Ko-Fi. And then for my YouTube membership, this is the August bundle that my YouTube members will receive. And then also for my YouTube membership, I do have the Printable Budget Planner inserts. That is a freebie that's included with your YouTube membership as well. So if you decide to join my YouTube membership, you will receive this August bundle. Alright, so that's that. So check out my Ko-Fi, and I have my Ko-Fi information in the description. Oh, and then I didn't print off this entire Faith bundle here, but this right here is the challenge that's included with the Faith bundle that's included on the Ko-Fi shop. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this money to see how much I have. So 20, 30, 5, 36, 37. So I have $37 that will go towards Christmas in July. Now I have $50, but I did end up getting out of the house and I spent $13 of it. So I have $37 left. But I need to go ahead and condense the $20 bill and the $10 bill down. Let me know how you're doing. And we're almost done with the month of July. Let me know how your savings goal is so far for this month. I think I'm going to do the $2 bills for the $20 bill. Alright, let me place that there. And now let me go ahead. Let me see if I have. Should I do the ones? I'm going to see if I have enough ones for the $10 bill. So hopefully you meeting your goal for this month. Should I break down to 5? I do have 5 ones. I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep the 5 because I was gonna break that down. Alright. So now that I have condensed the money down, I can go ahead and get my Christmas binder. So I could go ahead and start cash stuffing. And so I went through my cash stuffing supplies and I was going to use dice, but I had these cards that I got from SNC Budget probably last year or the year before last. And I think I'm going to go ahead and use those cards today instead of using the dice. And I think this will be my first time actually using the cards. Alright, let me get my challenges. I did end up starting doing Christmas in July saving challenges this month. I didn't do any savings last week. But if you're new here, I got the challenges that I'm using in this binder from Alpha Ko-Fi. And I will list all of those content creators that created the saving challenges that I'll be using today. I have their information in the description just in case if you need some other saving challenges from fellow cash stuffers. And let's just see if I'm able to complete any other challenges that I started earlier this month. I can't believe that this month is just almost over with. I mean, this month kind of flew by to me. It just flew by so quick. We're almost through the first month of the third quarter. already. Alright, so I have 5 challenges that I'll be working on. And hopefully they are in view so you can see what's going on. Alright, so yeah, here go the cards that I got from SNC Budget. And that's Cynthia and Cassie. So 5. And then I'm just going to select the card, and the amount that's on the card, that's the one that I will apply to the challenge. Now, I did end up adding one of those skip cards in here. So if I have to skip, that means that I'll just go to the next challenge. All right. Let me put the money, pull it up so hopefully you can see it. All right. Let me go ahead. I shuffle the cards. And let's see what I have to cash stuff first. Alright, so the first one, $1. $1 again. And alright, so sorry guys. I had got a phone call and it stopped recording, and I'm not sure where I had left off when it had stopped recording. So let me go ahead and shuffle these cards so I can finish the cash stuffing. Alright, so this one I need to do $5. I wasn't even paying attention to it. Alright, so now $2 for the next one. $1. And I have another set of cards, $1, that I'm gonna have to pull out as well. $1 again. $1. And so these cards, I think it went up to $5. They had the $1, $2, $3, and $4, but I took out the $3 and the 4. So this skipped. So I'm gonna skip this and go to the next one. Let me shuffle these cards up. So I just took, since I'm only saving a little amount, that's why I took out the $3 and the $4. And it does have additional cards, so I just pulled a couple of them out for this cash stuffing. Alright, place $2 there. Alright, $5 for the next one. And then I think the other card said it had larger amounts, $2. So make sure you check out CNC. Alright, told me to skip, so I'm gonna skip that one and $1. And since I only have $1 left, I'm just gonna place it on the next one. Alright, so all of the challenges got something. But yeah, check out SNC Budgets. They have an Etsy shop, and also check out their YouTube pages to support them. And then also we're gonna go over who the challenges that I'm using today, and make sure you support those ladies as well. Alright, let me get this binder. I'm gonna place these cards in here because I'm sure I'm not gonna finish my challenges in this binder, and I'm gonna use them next time. And I think I'm gonna pull out the other set of cards I got for my faith-based binder. Alright, so that is $4. And for this challenge right here, this challenge is made by Budgets with Emma. Check out Emma. She has a wealth of information on her YouTube page, and of course, she has freebies that's available in her Ko-Fi shop. So it looks like I used my red dot marker. So let me find that so I can mark this challenge. And if you have any saving challenges, let me know in the comments, bestie. So either I can check them out, and then also fellow cash stuffers, if they're interested in any type of freebies, that they can check out your Ko-Fi shop as well. And not only if you got freebies, if you sell products, please feel free to leave that in the comments as well. And because of you purchasing items in my Etsy shop, you're sponsoring today's cash stuffing to give me the ability to be able to even save. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. Anybody that supported my shop, anyone that supported either buying on Etsy, buying on Amazon, and not buying, but even using the products that's in my Ko-Fi shop, I want to thank you so much. I definitely appreciate you because you don't have to, but you did. So thank you for sponsoring today's cash stuffing. Okay, so I have one, two, three. I have $5 for this one. And this challenge right here is from my girl Budgeting. Alright, so let's see. Will I finish this one today? Let's see. Well, nah, I'm not gonna finish, but I'll almost be finished with this one. So I have one more to go. Cool. One more for this one. And I have a little ways to go with budgeting with Emma. So if you're doing Christmas in July, do you stop after the month of July or you continue until you finish? My goal this year, I think last year, I just stopped. Alright, let's sort this money down. Alright, so for this one, I got 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. So I have $9 for this one. And this is the word search. Alright, so since this is the word search, I'm going to put this one to the side. This will be the last one. Since I have to search for the words, but I saved $9 towards that one. But let me place this there and I'll get back to it. But yeah, I will be continuing the challenges until I finish them. Because Christmas will be here before you know it and I need to save. And I will have my fetch information 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, $13. Alright, I will have my fetch information in the description. I've been saving up my fetch, and whatever I save for that will go towards Christmas as well. Alright, let me go ahead and mark 13 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so I'm finished. So I'll place $3 to the side. So I finally completed the challenge today. So let me go ahead and ring that bell. Ding, 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 ding. I don't have my bell in here. I haven't used the bell in forever. I need to bring it in here. Alright, and this challenge right here is from Miss Sadie. And I have Miss Sadie information in my page. Subscribe to her channel and definitely check out her Ko-Fi shop. She has freebies and she do sell things on her Ko-Fi as well. Alright, let's count this. 1, 3, 5, 7, 12. Alright, so I was able to save $12 for this one. Let me go ahead and mark this. I definitely need to. I would be doing more Christmas challenges. And I need to start looking around to see what kind of items I can find for Christmas for my granddaughter. I know I want to get her some Lego blocks. I know I want to get her that because she loves building and Legos and stuff like that. So I know I want to do that. And I want to see if there's like a Lego castle or something like that. I'm gonna have to check. Alright, so let's go ahead and get my next savings challenge. And this one is from Miss Sadie as well. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so I have $3 left, and the $3 I had left from the other challenge, I just go ahead and apply it to this one. Alright, so that is a challenge completed. So 2 challenges completed today. Let me go ahead and ring that bell. Ding, 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 ding. So that's 2 challenges completed. Just know if you have inconsistent lower income like me, small amounts do add up. So if you have a little bit of money left over like I do, you can do it too. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Alright, so I was able to save $15. But yeah, so just know that even if you have a small amount to save, just go ahead and try to save it, bestie. Because it does add up with consistency. That's the thing. Even if you have to just start early on to save towards whatever your goal is, just do it, because it does add up eventually. And make sure you have a high yield account or something to save and place that money so you can earn some interest in it or invest in it. The great thing about these days and times, if you have small amounts, you can do fractional shares. Years ago, you couldn't do that. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Alright, I can remember how much I needed or how much I saved for this one. So I need to find 9 words. Let me get my yellow marker so I can highlight the words as I find them. Alright, so I'm just gonna play the music as I find the words in here, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I found my last word. Okay, I found that. And I want to thank you for taking time out your busy schedule of watching me catch stuff for Christmas in July. Please consider joining my channel. Some of the perks of joining my channel, you get 50% off in my Etsy shop. Also, you will receive printables and freebies. And for the month of August, you do receive the printable of my budget inserts from my new budget planners. That's a printable that you'll receive. And then also the August bundle is currently available for my members. And for my members that I currently have, thank you so much for being a part of my channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Turn your notification bell to all and tap the thumbs up and engage with me in the comments, bestie. Have a blessed day. Toodles!